Hi there. I would want to put a query to you. I know it seems personal, but I'm your best friend. How have you been eating lately? Nutritionists frequently alert you to meals that may damage your liver, stomach, and heart. What about your kidneys, though? Have you ever considered the impact your way of life has on your kidneys? Because it's likely that the food you're eating is bad for them. Did you know that kidney disease affects an estimated 30 million people in the US? How about we talk about the 9 foods that are now ruining your kidneys? Whole wheat bread, avocados, and bananas? Why is the world so unfair? Now, without further ado, let the list begin. 1. Avocado. Avocado. Like me, you're undoubtedly startled by this, so let's get it over with. Avocado is typically the first item on a menu of healthful foods that everyone advises you to eat. All hipsters and man-bun-wearing baristas are eager to inform you about the new product they discovered that tastes like avocado. Well, they might taste great, but you shouldn't listen to Bryce right now if you have kidney issues. An individual with renal illness needs to monitor their potassium consumption. Let's examine this from a different angle. It is advised that a person with healthy kidneys consume about 4,700 milligrams of potassium daily. But you need to gain a nutritious diet if your kidneys are hurting. Here's where I'm attempting to think of the perfect catchphrase for kidneys. Tell me how I'm doing, please. We are discussing 1,500 to 2,700 milligrams. This entails consuming less foods high in potassium, such as avocados. An avocado has about 975 milligrams of potassium in it. Don't attempt to be too sophisticated or avant-garde. 2. Oranges. Citrus fruits. Yes, I am aware. We seem to be getting off to a bad start with this list. All people love oranges, after all. While potassium can have a significant impact on the health of a kidney patient, citrus is beneficial for kidneys that are already in good condition. In fact, you'll hear the word potassium a lot in this movie. The cause? Potassium and other minerals accumulate in the blood of a person with damaged kidneys. Heart problems may result from this. A single glass of orange juice has about 332 milligrams of potassium, compared to an estimated 240 milligrams in one orange. I don't know about you, but in the morning, one glass doesn't really satisfy my thirst. Apple juice and grape juice are great options if you're searching for a nutritious substitute that won't harm your kidneys. 3. Pickles. Pickles. Let's return for a moment to the hipsters. They all appear to adore their pickle jars. There always appears to be a huge jar of pickles on display at the counter of whatever cashew milk cafe I visit. I'm in a cashew milk bar, but why the heck am I here? Am I a hipster? In any case, you might want to first have your kidney function checked if you're thinking about going all pickle for your diet. Let's talk about sodium instead of potassium for a bit. It is advised that an average individual consume 1,500 to 2,300 milligrams of sodium daily. How much is in a single pickle? Please start the drum roll. 1,200 milligrams. Up to 80% of your daily consumption may come from it. A consistent diet high in sodium-containing foods can lead to high blood pressure and kidney stones. Don't put your hand near the pickle jar. 4. Apricots. Fruit. Here, let's cast a vote. Just how many of you under 65 actually give apricots any thought? I'm kidding. Try some apricots if you can get your hands on them. It is well known that these tasty fruits are rich in copper, vitamin C, and vitamin A. However, once more, you need to look for a nutritious diet if your kidneys are weak. Folks, once more, not all of these can be jewels. Dried apricots have a potassium content of up to 1,500 milligrams per cup. I can say this with assurance. With all the apricots your great-aunt Ethel eats, her kidneys must be in excellent condition. 5. Cola. Now, I realize that this isn't exactly a food. To be honest, though, neither is orange juice, and you seem content with that. On the other hand, I bring up soda because it relates to our third major nutrient in the video. Talking about phosphorus. One important mineral in the human body is phosphorus. Phosphorus, despite making up only 1% of your body weight, is essential for the development of your teeth and bones. It is advised that an adult in good health take 800 to 1,200 milligrams daily. However, additive phosphorus is not the best for your health. As a matter of fact, each can of cola typically contains 50 to 100 milligrams of added phosphorus. Be cautious if you are a frequent user of carbonated beverages. You might not be aware that soda isn't the healthiest option for you in general if you haven't been listening to your mother since you were, like, 3 years old. Watch our video to learn about the risks of drinking soda and juices for cancer. To get some perspective on the matter, view the video for 13 foods that help maintain healthy kidneys. 6. Bread made whole wheat. Whole wheat bread. These days, it seems like people would choose any bread to white bread almost often. Some people seem to preach the gospel of whole wheat their entire lives. Most of the time, folks are right. A fantastic source of vitamins and minerals is whole wheat bread. But once more, is there a healthy diet you should be advocating for if your kidneys are hurting? Is that the case? Never mind. About 69 milligrams of potassium and 57 milligrams of phosphorus are present in one slice of whole wheat bread. That equates to 114 milligrams of phosphorus and 138 milligrams of potassium if you're preparing a sandwich. And that's right before the meat is added, which brings us to our following course. 7. Meat that's red. This won't be another lecture on how red meat is deadly and that you should avoid eating it, so don't worry. Blah, blah, blah. That's what every health brochure you pick up on the corner says. Specifically, we are discussing the effects of red meat on the kidneys. According to a recent study, renal patients who consistently eat red meat have a 3 times higher risk of developing kidney failure than people who eat healthful vegetables. This covers items like beef, lamb, and pork. Indeed, your priceless jerky. Actually, we did promise not to lecture you about the dangers of red meat. But we simply did, I suppose. A video titled 11 Ways Red Meat is Good for You will be produced. Okay, so perhaps reduce it to just 2 ways. 8. Spinach. It's incredible to think that the meal Popeye consumed to gain strength could cause kidney sufferers such severe injury. Let's discuss oxalates, one more sophisticated word. A naturally occurring substance present in many meals is oxalates. 80% of kidney stones contain calcium oxalate. About 40 to 50 milligrams of oxalates should be consumed daily if you have kidney stones. When does spinach come up in the discussion? Well, given that each dish has about 100 milligrams, you might want to avoid this food. 9. Bananas. The banana. As we previously discussed, if you have kidney illness, eliminating potassium from your diet can literally save your life. Maybe I should have given this explanation earlier, but I never plan that far in advance. The purpose of the kidneys is to eliminate waste from your urine and filter out blood. Potassium is included in this as well. And nothing is more closely associated with potassium than the hated banana. An average banana has about 422 milligrams of potassium in it. Because bananas are so tasty and only have about 89 calories, people frequently consume multiples of them. Remember, if you have kidney disease, you should take at least 1,500 to 2,700 milligrams. This means that one banana may provide between 15 and 28% of your daily potassium needs. I apologize for how horrible that was, but just keep in mind that you'll need to modify your potassium intake if your kidneys are about to burst. I think I tried too hard. Are you experiencing renal issues? Do you intend to consume fewer of these foods? Please share your thoughts in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe and press the bell for more fantastic advice from your best friend.